Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Official. Today I help you how to unhide command line filter in AutoCAD. Okay, now let's go. Here I have two ways. First way, you can press Ctrl+9 together. Second way, you can shortcut command line. Okay, now you look spring command line area. Okay, now you first way you press Ctrl+9. Command line unhide. Okay, close. Second way, you can shortcut command line, enter. Okay, command line unhide here. Okay, this video today the end here. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.